What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got a pretty exciting package in from London. I know what this is, I didn't order it, but it's from a company and I'm very excited about it. So why don't we open this guy up and see what we've got. So the reason this package is so exciting for me is because I've been doing a lot more hiking and I've got some trips coming up in the next couple weeks, couple months that are gonna have some opportunities to hike, and this particular thing will help with that. I'm trying not to give you guys any hints, but I mean, it's obviously a pair of shoes. You guys could have guessed that. I haven't actually seen these yet in person. I'm very excited about it. So here we go. It's taped on the side too. There we go. Okay, now we're good. Here we go. Let's pop this guy out. Looks like they've used plastic bags as packing, which actually isn't a bad idea. I've done that a bunch when like shipping off to StockX and places like that. But I'm not gonna tell you guys what shoe this is, just not to ruin the surprise. So first thing inside the box, as usual, is a note, and it says, "Escape the noise. Free from the pressure of the grind, nature remains, our constant. It inspires us to disconnect, to find space that gives us the opportunity to refuel our creativity, to escape the noise and come back recharged." There's a bunch more stuff. It's all about, you know, nature and exploring and things like that. If you couldn't tell, this is a hiking shoe. Round two, I guess. So inside the box, we have individually wrapped shoes, which is really nice when brands do that. Let's pop this guy open. And we've got the Adidas Terex Free Hiker. For me, this sneaker is very exciting, and that's because this is Adidas's first hiking shoe with Boost. All my other hiking shoes don't have any sort of soft cushioning in the midsole. I mean, they're not bad, but Boost is just like next level comfort. And you guys know me, I've been a huge fan of the Ultra Boost, and this is kind of like, not an Ultra Boost, but a very nice Boost hiking sneaker, which I'm really excited to use. One thing you might notice is that it has a very similar rail between the midsole and the upper that the Solar Glide has, I believe, and that really helps the Boost feel not too mushy, and it helps you with stability so you never feel unstable on this shoe, because that's something that can happen with really soft foams, or in this case Boost. If it gets too soft, you can feel like you're sliding around on the shoe, and this rail sort of alleviates that problem, which I really like. The upper of the sneaker feels like Prime Knit. It could be. Let me see if they say what it is in here. Yes, okay, it's water repellent Prime Knit for a sock-like comfort. Ooh, it's got this really nice thick rubber toe guard, which is great because I'm very clumsy and I kick things by accident all the time, so that's a welcome addition. It looks like it's got some fuse overlay between the midsole and the upper, which should help keep the water out, which is always a good thing. Let's pull out this little piece of cardboard inside the shoe, see what we've got. Oops, I think I broke it. Okay, so inside the shoe, you've got what seems to be a pretty well-padded heel area. I really like that a lot, actually. The rest of the upper is just pretty much raw Prime Knit, as I'm sure you expected from a Prime Knit uppered sneaker. That's usually what they do. You've also got this elastic band around the ankle, which should help with keeping your foot in place, which I like. So on the heel of the sneaker, you've got this orange pull tab, which is kind of a nice pop of color. And I don't usually like orange on things, but on this particular sneaker, because it's a hiking shoe and this is sort of a, you know, outdoor color, I really like the way that looks. You've also got this pretty solid heel counter in this dark olive, which I really like. And overall, I think I really like the look of the upper of this shoe. It's a very nice looking sneaker. It's not too crazy, it's not too out there, but it definitely has a hiking sort of vibe. So you're gonna know exactly what the sneaker is for as soon as you see it in someone's foot or if you see it on the shelf at a store. Of course, as I mentioned, you've got the almost full-length Boost midsole, and then on the bottom of the sneaker, you've got this light olive green or maybe dark tan Continental outsole with what seems to be pretty solid traction. This is something obviously I'm gonna have to try before I can say how good it is, but I mean, it feels like it would grip pretty well. Let me throw these guys on really fast to let you guys know how they fit. Okay, yeah, they feel like they fit pretty much true to size. There's a tiny bit of room around my toe, but nothing crazy, nothing I actually don't mind. Now that we've pretty much got the unboxing out of the way, why don't I throw these on feet and give you guys a montage of how these look on foot. But that pretty much wraps up the video for today. Huge thank you to All Conditions Media and Adidas for sending over this pair of Terex Free Hikers. I'm super stoked to use these, and I will probably be using these within the next week or two. If you want to grab a pair of these, I believe most of the sizes are sold out on adidas.com, at least in this colorway, and I think the black colorway. I'm sure there will be more colorways coming out in the very near future, so if you want to grab a pair, it shouldn't be too hard. But I would love to know your thoughts on this sneaker and whether this is a shoe that you would like to pick up, so make sure to leave those comments in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.